Logged out of your Lenovo computer or laptop and can't remember the password? Don't worry, there are still ways to reset it. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset a Lenovo PC without logging in. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. When you reach your Windows login screen, scroll to the bottom right corner and you can see a power button with 3 options popping up: sleep, shut down, and restart. Then, hold the left shift key on your keyboard and then click on restart while still holding on to the left shift key. On your screen, you will see the computer is restarting into recovery mode. Once the screen reappears, click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Reset this PC. Here you have 2 options: Keep My Files, where after the factory reset, all your apps and settings are reset but keeps your personal files, or you can click on Remove Everything, where your personal files, apps, and settings are removed completely. For this, I will choose to have a complete reinstallation, so I will remove everything. Next, you can choose between a cloud download, where you will download and reinstall the latest version of Windows if applicable, or do a local reinstall, which means the computer will reinstall the same version of Windows as the one you are currently using. For this, I will choose local reinstall. Next, you have the option of removing all the files on only the drive where Windows is installed, which is likely your C drive. Or you want to remove all files from your drives, assuming you have multiple drives, drive D, E, or more. Because usually my other storage files are kept in my D drive, I will not want to remove that. So I will just remove the files from only the drive where Windows is installed, which is my C drive. The last step here lets you choose if you want to just remove your files or do a complete drive clean. If you are keeping your PC for your own use but want to do a factory reset, select the first option. However, if you are selling your PC or recycling your PC for a family member or friend to use, you can select Clean the drive fully, which will take longer. After this, go ahead to confirm your choices and your computer will do the cleanup and factory reset. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.